Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back. This is your boy Jonathan. So today I want to talk about how to get into cryptocurrencies for the beginners. If you're trying, looking to get into cryptocurrencies, this is how you get. First, first and foremost, you need a Coinbase account. So basically, you need a base account, right? So in order to transfer money from your bank account or your debit card onto that website so that you can buy Bitcoin, or you can buy Bit, Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum or Litecoin in order to transfer it to another website, which is I'm gonna talk about later on. So this is what you're gonna do first. You're gonna download Coinbase. There's an app for it on Apple, right? Apple Store. If you got an iPhone, it's gonna be better. You download it, and then once you download it, and then after that, you're gonna buy Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash or Ethereum and Litecoin. And then after you buy both of those, and then this is what you're gonna do. And then you're gonna go to my account, right? When you go to my account, if you buy one of those, probably maybe Litecoin, because me usually I buy Litecoin and then I transfer Litecoin. Um, you're gonna see all those Litecoins I transfer, all of them. A lot of Litecoin, yeah. I got a lot of history of Litecoin. And then once you buy the Litecoin and then you transfer it on another website, you can transfer it on HitBTC. HitBTC right now, it's very popular. You can transfer it on HitBTC, or you can also once you transfer it to HitBTC, you can buy the smaller coins, the cheapest one, the ones that are below $1, or you can get another website. It's called it's called Cryptonator. It's called Cryptonator. Yeah, so that website you can buy. You can go on that website and then you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy Redcoin. You can buy Ripple. You see, this website, it's very good. It's a wallet, but it's a wallet. Most likely, like most wallet, they only got only one coin that you can store. You can store in. Basically, Bitcoin got a wallet, Ripple got a wallet, but that specific website, it got a lot of coins that you can store in it. So basically, it's good for Litecoin, for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Ripple, for Redcoin, for Dogecoin. It's good for a lot of them. I used to use it a lot, but right now I mostly buy coins that have their own wallet. For example, Bitcoin got its own wallet right now. It's on Apple Store, and I get Ripple right now. Ripple got its own wallet. It's on Apple Store. Redcoin doesn't have its own wallet right now, and it's not. Let me tell you again, it's not safe. Once you finish buying coins and then you leave it on either HitBTC or the exchange, it's not good. It's not good to do that, because most likely, you can lose your coins, because the website can go down. It can be hacked, which happens a lot currently. In the past, like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, I read a lot of news, and it happens, and then they stole millions of dollars of coins on those websites, and it's not really safe to buy. Once you open your Coinbase account, and then you go open another platform which you can buy your little coins on Cryptopia or HitBTC. And then that's when, after you buy your coins, and then you look for a wallet. If you cannot find a wallet on your phone, because some wallet are only compatible with Android, and some of them only with iPhone. But any wallet, you can open it on it. There's a web for it. So basically you can find it on your computer, and then you store your coins on your computer on that wallet. Don't leave it on the website, because the website can be hacked and then you can lose your coins. Okay, so this is the way you do it. And then if you guys need more information about it, leave comments below. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.